Hi dear students, so today our topic is the use of definite article, and as we know the definite article is the. We will try to learn how we can use this. The first use of the definite article is when we are you can say talking about a particular person, place or thing. Particular person, place or thing. What do you mean by this particular? This particular means like we are talking about to a specific person, to a specific place or any specific thing. Or if I'm talking about something which is already understood, I'm not taking its name, but I am talking about that particular thing, and it is quite understandable just by having that context. For you it's simple in a way, like you should keep in mind a particular person. For example, if I'm saying, I can give you an example. The book that you want is out of print. The book that you want is out of print. The book that you want is out of print. So in this case, as you can see, I have used this definite article with book. So it means it is understood. You are going on a shop and to ask him for any particular book. So the seller will respond you in a way, the book that you want is out of print. It means you are there for any specific book, any particular book. That's why he didn't take the name of that specific book, but he has just used the with the book. That is understood, you are there for any specific book. So that's the difference between anything which is particular or specific and any common thing. Alright, so that's the main difference that we should keep in mind. Alright, so this is the first use of definite article, in which we have in our mind that we are talking about something which is very specific and very particular, and we cannot use the with those sort of person, places or thing in which there is no specificity. Alright, so that's the main difference of the use of the with the particular place, person or thing. Alright, so then after we can go for its second use. If I'm saying when a singular noun is meant to represent a whole class, when a singular noun is representing whole class, when a singular noun is representing whole class, so in that case you can also use the. For example, I would say the cow is useful animal. So the cow which I have used here, this cow is representing the whole class of cows. What I'm trying to say, I'm saying I'm using this in another way, like I can make another sentence like cows are useful animals. Alright, so this is another use of the definite article when you are representing a whole class by using the name or the noun of one particular animal, a particular person, place or thing. This is the second use. So we have many other examples that we can add here. So in this case I would say, yeah, so the cat loves comfort. The cat loves comfort. So this word cat, the noun cat, is actually representing the whole class. The horse is a noble animal. The horse is a noble animal. Alright, so the rose is the sweetest of all flowers. The rose is the sweetest of all flowers. So the important thing that we should keep in mind here, when you are using a specific noun in order to represent the whole class of that noun, so you will use the as a definite article before that noun. So this is another use, and we have many other examples. You can also find out the examples from there. So in a similar way, we can also use these definite articles before some proper noun. Like oceans and seas. So we have an example, the Pacific. It's a name of ocean, the Pacific. The Black Sea. Alright, so river. The Ganga. The Nile. So if you are going for any other name of any other proper noun, so we have an example of, for instance, we have an example of, you can say mountains. We always say the Himalayas, the Himalayas, the Himalayas, the Alps. If you are talking about desert, so in desert we have the Sahara Desert. So these are the proper names of different oceans, rivers. We have canals, deserts, group of islands, mountain ranges. So all of these you can use them. In a similar way, we can also use the with some names of certain books, names of